Hello everyone, if you're getting this error in Call of Duty Black Ops 7, your profile was signed out, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix that annoying error on Black Ops 7 easily. First off, what you're going to do is you're going to come here at your games platform, you're going to right click on your Call of Duty Black Ops 7, you're going to go into properties, you're going to go into installed files, you're going to make sure that you click on verify integrity of games files on your Call of Duty Black Ops 7 and let it do its thing. And once it's done with that, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu. You're going to write here exploit protection. You're going to go into program settings, click add program to customize, click choose exact file path. Here you're going to go into your Call of Duty Black Ops 7's directory. I don't have Call of Duty Black Ops 7 installed, so I'm going to use Battlefield 6 as an example. You're going to click open on here. And here you're going to click override system settings on every setting here and then make sure everything is turned off. So just keep clicking on override system settings and turning everything off, just like how I'm doing here. And once you're done with that, click apply on here. And then you want to go ahead and restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, now when you try to play your Call of Duty Black Ops 7, you'll see that you will not get that profile was signed out error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.